Hi all, welcome back to Maths and Physics classes of JB. Today we are going to study an important topic named position vector. So, what is a position vector? So first of all, we want to study what is actually the position of an object at a time t. Normally, the position of an object at a time t is the point where the object is reached at that time t with respect to a starting point. That starting point is known as origin. It is usually represented by O. Normally, we use the origin or starting point as the point of intersection of the rectangular coordinate axis. That means we are using the rectangular coordinate system normally. In that there will be x, y and z axis. The three axes meet at a common point. That point is normally taken as O or starting point. So with respect to that starting point, now at which position is the object stays, that position is called the position of an object at a time t. We are drawing a straight line from the origin O to that point, and its direction is from the starting point O to that point, and the vector we are drawing is known as the position vector of a point. Here we are considering a point P. Let the point be P x comma y comma z. Okay, it's our point. What we have done to locate its point, we have drawn a straight line from the meeting point of the three axes to that point, and its direction is from the starting point to the point P. That's why the arrow mark is marked towards the point P. So it is a vector because it has magnitude and direction. It is represented in the figure by vector small r. This vector small r is known as the position vector of a point P. Okay, and let the point be x comma y comma z. That means its x coordinate is x, y coordinate is y and z coordinate is z. So if the point is x comma y comma z, then we can write the position vector small r as vector small r is equal to x into I plus y into j plus z into k. That means we have written the position vector in component form. We know this I, j and k are unit vectors along x, y and z directions. So suppose let our point be the point P and its coordinate be 3, 4, 5. So if our point is P 3, 4, 5, then what will be its position vector? Its position vector will be is equal to 3i plus 4j plus 5k. Okay, so hope you understood how you can write the position vector of a point. The position of a point means the distance to that point or the present position of that point at that time t with respect to the starting point origin. Normally we use the starting point or origin as the meeting point of x, y and z coordinates. That meeting point is normally marked as capital O, And what is position vector? From that meeting point O or origin to the point P, we will draw a straight line and mark its direction as from O to that point. That vector is known as the position vector of a point P. And if x, y and z are the coordinates of that point, this position vector can be written in component form as xi plus yj plus zk. And we normally represent the position vector using small r. Okay. Suppose there are 2 points. Position vector of first point can be taken as r1 and the position vector of second point can be taken as r2, like that. So this is the idea of the position vector in Cartesian coordinate system. Hope everybody has understood. If having any doubts, just comment me in the inbox. I will clarify your doubts. So we can meet again with a new topic in the next class. Thanks.